Here's a great deal on a 2007 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.